everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Walmart sample box for winter of 2020-2021. I did not open it yet. I should have opened it probably before I got on screen, but I didn't. This box is $5. They say that the box is free, that you're just paying for shipping. Honestly, shipping is so expensive anymore. I bet that this probably costs more than $5 to ship. But then again, it's from Walmart, so maybe they get like a super deal discount. I don't know. But you guys seem to really like it. It looks like their printer ink was like running low because this is normally red, not purple. And like the little thing that shows this, I think means that there's like a liquid or something like that in it. That's not the right color either. But the Walmart Beauty printed on it is the right shade. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I do have another video coming of Walmart specialty boxes. They had 2 specialty boxes that they sold. I didn't even know, but I didn't get an email, which is kind of weird. But I logged on to change my address because I did recently move, and they were just on them. So anyway, this is what's going on here. And let's go ahead and look at the card. So there is a whole lot of products on here, and I did not get all these products. There are 14 items listed on the card, so I guess you could have gotten a very wide range of variations. I got 5 products in here. So let's go ahead and look through them, and I will let you know what I got as I get through. All right. This first thing is from Dermafix. It is, so I'm really confused. Okay. There are 4 items. Okay, it looks like there were 4 base items. There are 4 base items that have a description in them, and then it looks like you got 2 additional items. Yeah. It says each box will contain 6 products based on your beauty profile. Box assortments will vary. And then, like I said, the 4 items over here have like descriptions on them. And then all the items over here do not have descriptions. It just has like the value of it. So this is one of the items that is on the side. This is the Hanhu Dermafix Blemish Custom Patch. There is 2 patches in here, and that is worth $3.50. So I'm going to go ahead and read what it says on the back. This is non-medicated hydrocolloid treatment. Hanhu Dermafix Blemish Custom Patch is meant to be used for large blemish clusters. The transparent hydrocoiled patch targets impurities without drying out the surrounding area. The adhesive patch absorbs excess pus and oil, minimizing the appearance of blemishes while acting as a protective cover, safe for daily use. So, cleanse and dry the affected area. All right, so there's only 1 patch in here. It says it is $3.50 for 2 patches. Using clean scissors, cut patch to the desired shape, remove the patch from protective film, and apply directly over blemishes. The patch will turn white as it absorbs impurities. All right. Okay. The other item that is on the side, excuse me, is this right here. This is the Lola regular tampons made with 100% organic cotton. There are 8 compact plastic applicator tampons in here. So, that's nice that it's 100% organic cotton. I don't normally wear or use tampons, but every once in a while I will. I just don't normally use them. I try different things than tampons because tampons and I don't always get along. It's probably too much information, but hey, welcome to Epic Beauty Fail. This is the Lola Organic Cotton Tampon Plastic Applicator, full size. This is the full size, I guess. $2.98, $3 basically for an 8 count. So, yes. I guess this is, they're regular. Okay. So, it talks about TSS, which is one of the concerns that I have, which is why I don't usually wear tampons. Anyway, let's go on to the 4 products that are listed on this side that have a little description to them. Sorry, this video seems like it's all over the place. Okay, first item is Bio Oil. It is the Dry Skin Gel Specialist Dry Skin Formulation. I don't know what that means. Let's see. So, Full size is 1.7 ounces. This is 1.5 milliliters, so nowhere near the 1.7 ounces. It's $5.99 for the full size. This is clinically proven to improve dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. All right. Next up is from number 7. This is the Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate. Full size is 1 fluid ounce. This is 0.1 fluid ounce, and that is $34.98. Experience the power of retinol while minimizing irritation with this skin transforming overnight treatment. Let's see what it looks like here. All right, so that's pretty cool. It's just a little tiny thing. That I don't mind that at all. All right, the next item here is from Cetaphil. This is the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. And the full size is 1.7 ounces. This is 0.34 ounces. And the full size is $16.97. This lightweight cream provides deep 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin over time. Oh, it does not have a safety seal, so I'm going to just put a little bit on the back of my hand just to see what it feels like. It's not greasy, which is nice. It feels really nice. It does have scent to it, though. So if you don't like scents in your skincare, you might not like this. It's used for the face, and it's for dry, dehydrated skin. All right, the last item in here is from My Bite. It is a multivitamin, guilt-free chocolatey vitamins yum. It looks like a little candy bar. So this looks like it's the multivitamin. What is this? There's it's a sample pack. So there's one of these, which is Multi-Hers, women's multivitamin. And then this one is a calcium multivitamin, a daily immune multivitamin, and an energy, which has caffeine in it. All right, so I am type 2 diabetic, so I do watch my sugar intake. I'm a diet controlled diabetic, so I eat low carb most of the time. All of these have 3 grams of sugar in them, however. So, except for this one. The calcium one has 2 grams of sugar. So that's a little concerning. I don't really want to eat that much sugar in my multivitamin, to be honest with you. So what I'll probably do is just give, all of these, except for like the Multi-Hers. Maybe I'll try the Multi-Hers one. The other ones I will give to my husband or my sons or something like that. So, all right. So the My Bite vitamins. Full size is a 60-day supply for $11.96. I didn't show you that's what the packaging looks like. It's a big plastic tub. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a complete multivitamin enrobed in chocolatey goodness with layers of caramel, peanuts, and nougat. I'll be honest, I just take a daily vitamin. I don't need it to be chocolatey. So, yeah. Anyway, that is it. The other alternatives you could have gotten was from Vital Proteins, their Beauty Collagen, L'Oreal Paris Everpure Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, Neutrogena Stubborn Acne AM Treatment, Milani Highly Rated 10-in-1 Volume Mascara, the Carousel Intensive Foot Repair, Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray, and the Earth to Skin Hand Sanitizer Gel. So those are the other options that you might have gotten if you got this box. So that's it for my box. I'm fine with it. $5, I don't think it's necessarily a bad box. It's nice to get little samples like this. Target used to have a beauty box. I used to love their beauty box. They don't have it anymore. They discontinued it, which is sad. It was more of like a lifestyle box though than like a beauty box. They didn't really have makeup in it. It was more of like skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. So anyway, $5. I'm not disappointed in this. Would I like to get maybe something a little bit different? This is actually different. I was getting really disappointed in the Walmart beauty box there for a while, and I considered stopping getting it, but I didn't, and I'm actually thankful that I didn't. So anyway, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, a thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not yet, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, leave those down below. Do you get the Walmart beauty box? Like I said, this is a quarterly box for $5. I don't think it's bad, and it's something nice to get like different samples of, like the vitamins. you know, they don't necessarily work for me because I am a diet control diabetic, but I know that my 21-year-old son and my husband have gotten like the chocolatey vitamins before and they have liked them. I don't think it was this brand though. So anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next epic beauty fail. Bye guys.